Tamari Roasted Sunflower Seeds. They're a great snack for the whole family and they're much better for you than salted peanuts. You'll need to dry roast the sunflower seeds in a cast iron pan, or you can do it in the oven. Keep stirring them around so they don't burn and are evenly cooked. When they're golden brown, take them off the heat. When they're golden brown, turn the heat off. Then add some tamari to taste. Mix it through so it's all even. Now you want to have these nice and crunchy, and the trick here is to leave them in the hot pan to cool. You can also do this with raw almonds. So the roasted tamari sunflower seeds have been cooling in the pan. You can even hear how crunchy they are.